Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools with T-Mobile, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize AI tools with T-Mobile, begin by ensuring you have a reliable T-Mobile connection. Check your data plan to confirm you have sufficient data for AI tool usage. Download any necessary AI applications from the App Store that best suit your needs. Open the T-Mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings section to manage your mobile data preferences. Enable Data Saver to optimize your usage while working with AI tools. Assess your current network speed by performing a speed test. Make sure you are connected to T-Mobile's fastest network available. If you're in an area with limited coverage, try moving to a location with better service. Once you have a stable connection, launch your chosen AI tool. Familiarize yourself with its interface and functionality to use it effectively. Adjust the app settings to suit your preferences and improve performance. Consider enabling any AI features that utilize enhanced network capabilities. Regularly update the app to access the latest features and improvements. If your AI tool requires regular internet access, confirm your T-Mobile connection remains stable. Explore options within the AI app for saving data usage while maximizing utility. Engage with community forums or support to learn tips from other T-Mobile users. Keep abreast of T-Mobile promotions that might enhance your AI tool experience. Finally, regularly review your data usage to ensure you remain within your plan limits while maximizing your AI tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.